Welcome to my world, where the fun never stops.
Darling Dave was out here the other day and he removed the stair here because I don't know, for some reason it wasn't centered, it wasn't in the right place. It was just weird. And then I had that weird railing over there. If I can find a picture, I'll show you. But anyway, he removed the stairs and discovered termites, active termites in there and rot. And yeah, so it didn't go much further than just the wood for the stairs itself. However, what Dave did yesterday and today is to dig down, and you can see it over here on this side because he hasn't bricked it in yet. But you can see he's now left air gaps between the dirt and the bottom of the wood. And it doesn't look like there's any, what do they call them? Tunnels from the termites. I'm not seeing any. Anyway, I'm going to take a picture and show it to my AI because that might be some of that right there. Might not be good. Anyway, and then we're putting the brick in front of it because we want to bark this in. We're going to bark this whole area in. You can see where I've started barking it here. We're going to be barking in a lot of the yard, but we don't want the bark to be up against the wood. So we have now put up a barrier there, and today is moving wood chips day. Hallelujah.
If you've been watching all the way through, then you can plainly see that I worked my butt off for the last couple of days. And it did take me, I think, 3 days to get it all done, but I got it all done and it looks so much better. Anyway, thanks for following along with our renovation series, and I hope you like what you're seeing. Stay tuned and come back for more. Take good care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye now.